Okay, so now we're at the control panel, and you'll see a lot of different options here on the control panel. What we're going to do is we're going to drop down to the very bottom, and you'll see Softiculous Apps Installer, and one of the scripts is WordPress. So click on WordPress, and that will take you to the WordPress installer page, and all you got to do is hit Install Now. So at this point, it's at the software startup, the setup, and so we're going to choose a protocol. We're not going to do HTTPS, at least not at this point. It automatically just put in your domain name that you registered, and it's going to just have by default it's going to put it in the correct directory, so don't put anything there. I'm going to change the site name to Build Your Facility, and site description, I'm not going to put anything there at this point. So it should have on your account username. Now this is WordPress. This is not your domain, okay? So I'm going to change this to anything other than admin, because hackers go around looking for WordPress admin, the default, and I got to spell it right. And so you don't want to do that. So I'm going to put in a password that I know very well. And under the admin email, I'm going to put my email. And hide that in English. And the limit login attempts, there's pros and cons to this. I'm not going to click on it at this point. And there shouldn't be anything you need under advanced options. Just let it do its thing. And we're not going to pick any of these themes or install our own. So now we're going to hit install. The field site description is required. Okay, so I guess we do have to put something there. Work class, system, design, and installation services. Okay. So let's go back down here and install again. And everywhere, everything's good. WordPress is successfully installed at buildyourfacility.com. There's the administrative URL, which I'll show you later. And everything's good. So let's go return to overview. And there it is. So now if I want to actually get into it, site can't be reached. Okay, the reason the site can't be reached is we haven't changed the DNS yet. Remember we were talking about DNS? But here it says Softiculous WordPress has been installed on the server. But right now, the DNS hasn't been changed. So when you click on buildyourfacility.com, it doesn't know what server to go to yet. So I'm going to go on here. Just click in Google Domains and click on Google Domains. And if you're already logged into Google Domains, you can just click on Manage My Domains. Okay, there they are. So I'm going to find my domain I just added. I'm going to go over here to Configure DNS. And so right now I'm using the Google domain name servers, but I want to use custom domain name servers. So the first name server is called nameserver1.greengeeks.com. You'll use the same one. Okay, I'm going to save it. And then it's going to say, oh, I need another one. So I'm going to add another one here. And the second one is nameserver2. Duh. Now, to our installation, if I click on admin now, now I'm in my WordPress backend. Okay, so what that tells you is now your domain name is now connected to WordPress installation. Okay, build your facility.